So we're working this morning and we hear a clunk on a window. And we look outside and a bird had run into our window. There he is. You know, we're up a couple stories. Oh no. What? Oh, he's hurt. Is he still alive?
Yeah, he's alive. I think he's just stunned. What should I do?
Frank, what should we do? Dang it. Frank, get out of the window.
I'm gonna bring him in.
Okay, we're gonna bring him in. Alright, so we got the little bird in the box.
I wear gloves so I wouldn't get people stuff.
Let's see the little bird. Let's see if
See if he's okay.
Oh, there's the little bird.
I think he's
Are you okay, little bird?
okay. I think he just,
Did he hurt his paw?
well, I can't tell.
Let's see. Is your leg broke?
But
He hurt his little paw, I think.
I think he just whacked his head really hard.
Think he have a concussion?
Yeah.
They don't have very big. Oh no.
Oh, he might have hurt his leg.
He hurt his leg, his paws. Kind of all messed up.
Yeah, I don't know. Because that leg, this leg seems to be fine. But he might have hurt that little leg.
Frank, what do you think about that little bird?
No, Frank. You're not going to hurt him.
He's hurt. Leave him alone.
He's injured, Frank.
Just relax. Just relax. No.
He's like, that's one of those ones I see out there every day.
Stay away, Frank.
Let him see, he can smell. He just can't bite.
Don't eat him. He's injured, Frank. Leave him alone. You need to be here to help him.
He's like, I'd like to eat him. I see that guy outside every day.
A little bit. We put some bird seed in there and he's taking a few bites, but his mouth is kind of bloody.
Yeah, I think he just whacked his head really hard.
He's just kind of out of it right now. I mean, he has a cat hovering him and he's chilling.
And I wonder, it seems like there might be something wrong with that one leg.
One little leg looks kind of hurt. Just relax, Frank.
Frank, this is our friend.
Yes, he's still alive. Thanks for all your help.
He said, don't touch him, Frank. That's not nice. How'd you like it if you were hurt and someone came and poked you?
Yeah, Frank. Just relax.
How'd you like it if people just poked you when you weren't feeling well?
So the bird is definitely ready to go now. He just stuck his head out that hole. All right. So we took care of this little bird and it's time for him to move on in life.
There's the other little junko. Let's go.
Oh, all his friends were out there on the porch. Oh, Frank's real excited.
No, Frank, you stay inside. You stay in here, honey. I know it's very exciting. Go!
There he is.
It's okay.
See you later, bird. Take that flight.
You okay? I think he's okay.
I don't know if he's quite ready yet. Frankie's behind me going crazy. He's on my shoulder. No, Frank. Yeah, he's on my shoulder. Dang. Oh, gosh. Frank. Jeez, dude. Sorry, people. Oh, you tore me up, man.
I don't know if he's quite ready.
Just put him in the bird seed.
I don't want. Gosh.
Stay away, cat. Oh, he just pooped again. There's a little poop. That's good. Oh, there he goes. There he is.
Think he's gonna be okay?
He's a goner.
You think he'll be okay?
Hitch fit saves another bird.